Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback front mud flap kit on a 2018 Ford Expedition. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your truck. And better yet, the Gatorback flaps are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. Start by removing just enough of the protective frisket from the mud flap to allow room to install the bracket. Using the outer holes of the bracket, loosely install the bracket to the mud flap using 2 stainless steel carriage bolts, 2 stainless washers, 2 stainless lock washers, and 2 stainless nuts. Next, identify and remove the factory screw and push pins located on the inner fender. Then pull out a portion of the fabric liner so it rests on the outside of the fender. This will act as a protective barrier to the mud flap. Lift up the fabric liner to expose the 2 bottom holes that contain the plastic push pins. Carefully install a U-clip onto each hole. Next, finish removing the protective frisket from the flap and move it into place to be installed. Tightly install the bracket to the inner factory bolts as shown, using 2 serrated flange nuts. We recommend pushing the flap and bracket as far back as possible to provide the best clearance. Then, with 2 provided machine screws and 2 stainless steel washers, loosely install the lower 2 holes of the mud flap into the previously installed U-clips. Reinstall the upper factory screw and insert a nylon washer between the flap and the body as shown. Next, with a square, make sure that the mud flap is level. Carefully tighten all screws, including the inner bracket machine carriage bolts, and double check that the mud flap is still level. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flap kit. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.